Welcome back, friends. In today's video, we will do installation of Linux Mint 20.3 Una edition with Cinnamon desktop. So let us start. We right click on the ISO and open it with boxes. So Linux Mint is not available as a template, so you can use Ubuntu. You can use either Ubuntu 20.10 or you can use Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, it is also not available. So you can use 21.10. It will be safe. 20.10, okay, or you can use 20.04 also, the LTS version. Okay, click on the next, and in the RAM section give it 4 GB, so installation will be done faster. Maximum disk size you can take it to 25 GB. Now let us hit the create button. Linux Mint 20.3 Una is the latest version of Linux Mint Una based on Ubuntu. We can do start Linux Mint, so that will open up the live image. So this is the desktop of Linux Mint Una 20.3. So let us start the installation right away. If you want, you can go and read the release notes here. We'll now continue. Yes, now go and search for the India. Yes, Indian I found. Select the Indian English India with rupee keyboard layout, then press continue. Install multimedia codecs. These are the extra non-free multimedia codecs. Then hit continue. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. This is normally the easiest way, but most of the times the user will have some data on the partitions, because most of the people will migrate from Windows to Linux, so they will have some data, some older partitions already on their system. So better not use this. You can use the second option, that is something else. Now here you select the new partition table right now, because since ours is a fresh disk, you have to use new partition table. But in real life cases, the partition table will be already there. Then the installer will show those partitions here. Then you can select those partitions. You can resize, format, delete, or add new partitions here. So in our case, we have to select the new partition table. Select the free space, then use it as a FAT32 file system. Mount point should be just a moment. Let us go with the extended 4. Mount for yes, mount point will be now /boot. Okay. Again select free space, hit the plus button. Now we will do a swap space. Swap area. Done. Now we will do the root partition. Select the plus but select the free space, then select the plus button. Select all the remaining HDD. Now the options available for the file system is ext4, ext3, 2, btrfs, jfs, xfs, fat16, fat32. Do not use partition, that is also available. In case you don't want the partition to be formatted or any action to be done by the installer on the partition, you select the do not use partition. This is normally used for the partitions containing only purely data. So by mistake the installer must not delete the partition or corrupt the data, so you have to use this do not use the partition for those partitions. So right now you are trying to create a root partition, so you have to select either of the file systems given here. You have to select only one, so let us go with something new. Let us go with the jfs journaling file system, and in the mount point select root mount point, click on OK. We are done. Now we have to just start the installation. Rest of the things will be handled by the installer. Now the summary of the actions to be performed on the new hard disk is: partition 1 will be formatted as ext4, partition 5 of virtual disk will be formatted as swap, partition 6 of virtual disk will be formatted as jfs. You have to just hit the continue button. Now select the locale, again hit continue. Now add the username you want to create. Input the password. Here we will input a very simple password. This is just for the review purpose, but in actual life you have to give at least 8-character password with one special character at least and one uppercase. So that is good enough. And select require my password to login to secure the system, and now hit the continue button. Installation is quite fast. You can see it has almost finished completing the file copy. Installation of the system has started. our videos. So friends, we stop here. Uh, Please like, share, and comment on our videos. Do not forget to press the bell button. Otherwise, you will miss our newly uploaded videos. Bye bye.